Joe Beermaster. I'm going to show you how to take a headlight out on a Kia Soul. This is for all years. So we're going to take this out because this was in collision damage. If you want to change the bulb, I have a video on how to change the bulb. You can reach in back here and access the bulbs on the back side. Basically, we're going to take the assembly out. We're going to take these two 10mm out first. And then there's some other bolts underneath the bumper. We're going to have to disconnect the bumper here, hang it down. So let's get started. So you can see by taking those two top bolts alone doesn't do it, so we're going to have to hang that bumper down. So up here on the side we have a 10mm. I can feel it with my finger. So we're going to get up there with this and undo it. Alright, so actually that's an 8mm bolt. Alright, so once we open that up, you can see there's another 10mm right there. I'm going to take that out. Alright, once that's out, we're going to try to wiggle it out of here a little bit. And there you go. And that's wiggled out. And then we have to take the harness off. Press this little button here down and pull. And that's out. And that's how you remove the headlight on this one. There's one bulb. If you got to change the bulb, you twist it out. There's one underneath here, under that little cap, you spin it. One there. If you need to change the bulbs. But like I said, you don't have to take the headlight out to change the bulbs, but if you're changing the assembly, yes. Alright, Joe Beermaster.